Ever wondered how long it takes for a pending payment on Vivid to go through? It's a question that's crossed the minds of many users, especially those who are eagerly awaiting their funds. In this video, we'll dive deep into the intricacies of Vivid's pending payment process and try to answer the age-old question, how long does it really take? Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly understand what a pending payment is. When you make a transaction on Vivid, it's initially marked as pending. This means the payment is in process, and its final status is yet to be determined. There are several factors that can influence how long a payment remains pending. Factor 1. Payment method. The method you use to make the payment can significantly impact the processing time. Credit and debit card transactions typically take longer than bank transfers. This is because there are additional layers of verification and authorization involved in card payments. Factor 2. Transaction amount. Larger transaction amounts may also require more time to process. This is especially true for international transactions, which often involve currency conversions and cross-border regulations. Factor 3. Bank processing times. Even if Vivid processes your payment quickly, the final step often involves your bank. If your bank is slow to process incoming payments, it can delay the entire process. Factor 4. Vivid system status. Occasionally, technical glitches or system maintenance can cause delays in payment processing. In such cases, Vivid will typically notify users about any disruptions. Average processing times. While it's difficult to provide an exact time frame, here's a general breakdown of average processing times for different payment methods. Credit/debit cards, 2 to 5 business days. Bank transfers, 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers, if available instant or within a few hours. Tips for faster processing. Here are a few tips to help you expedite the pending payment process. Double-check your payment details. Ensure that all information, including the recipient's details and the payment amount, is accurate. Choose a faster payment method. If possible, opt for a payment method with shorter processing times. Contact Vivid's customer support. If you're concerned about a delayed payment, don't hesitate to reach out to Vivid's customer support team. They can provide you with more specific information and assistance. So, how long does it really take for a pending payment on Vivid to go through? The answer is, it depends. Several factors, including the payment method, transaction amount, bank processing times, and Vivid's system status, can influence the processing time. While it's generally a matter of a few business days, there may be instances where it takes longer. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can help ensure a smoother payment experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.